Here we can see there are 36 keywords and phrases in red. And the green ones are already applied. Those suggested keywords in red and green are analyzed by Labrika AI. In order to rank higher, these red ones are supposed to add to my blog naturally. But I am going to run a test, adding suggested keywords of similar content pro to the article. And then see how many words are also covered by Labrika. Here I am doing the boring word embedding work, let's just speed up. And for the record, I replace or delete some overused keywords such as blog in this article. I added most of the suggested keywords for the content. Finally, I update the content on the website and Labrika both. Then we can see Labrika is showing 22 keywords in red to be included. Hence there are 14 keywords were also covered in similar content pro. And I have added it. They are both actually analyzing top 10 search engine ranking pages, but there are 4 different websites listed. I think this is happening when we search for the same terms at different times. Even though it is only a 1-hour timeline difference. The competition for SERP is always out there. Therefore the position is always changing. I think no need to test the same top 10 results of the same query for the 2 AIS. Covering all necessary keywords for a topic does not guarantee we are going to rank high. It's just an actionable part of our all efforts when we have some AI support. Link building, searcher intent, and problem solving are still the top long-term winners. There are different names for suggested keywords based on latent semantic analysis. In similar content pro, it's called topic modeling, and in Labrika, it is called latent semantics. There should be other names in other software. But they are using the same method to get a list of keywords, doing reverse engineering from top 10 Google search engine result pages. According to what I tested, I can conclude similar content pro and Labrika are providing the same set of related keywords. These keywords are supposed to be covered in an article under the same topic keyword. So this kind of AI tool are providing a most wanted keyword list for the targeting topic. But there will be different functions and setting for different AIS. I will leave a post link in the description for further discussion and future updates. Thank you.